Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The acceleration a in meter per second square of a particle is given by a equals to 3t square plus 2t plus 2, where t is the time, starts with the velocity v equals to 2 meter per second at t equals to 0, then find the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. So students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एक्सेलरेशन एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ टाइम दिया गया है. दिस इज 3t स्क्वायर प्लस 2t प्लस 2. देन हमें एक वैल्यू दी गई है, डेट वेलोसिटी एट टाइम t इक्वल्स टू 2 इज 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. देन हमें वेलोसिटी एट टाइम t इक्वल्स टू 2 सेकेंड की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. फॉर दैट प्लीज नोट द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, which says velocity is defined as the integral of acceleration, or you can say integration of acceleration vector with respect to time. That is, velocity vector equals to integration of a dt from time t1 to t2. Now we can write velocity vector as a dt, and acceleration की expression हमें दी गई थी 3t square plus 2t plus 2, and on integration with respect to dt. So on integration we will find this will be 3t square dt 2t dt plus 2 dt. So this will come out to be 3t cube upon 3 plus 2t square upon 2 2t plus constant of integration c, and this is velocity vector as a function of time. The function of time we can write t cube plus t square plus 2t plus c. Now we were given that at time t equals to 0 velocity was 2 meter per second. So velocity vector at time t equals to 0 was, substituting everywhere 0, so this is 2. From here constant of integration is 2, and with finding velocity at t equals to 2 seconds. So velocity as a function of time we got, velocity as a function of time we got t cube plus t square plus 2t plus constant of integration we got 2 equals to 2 seconds. This is 2 cube plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 2. This will be 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2, and on adding this will come out to be 18 meter per second. So velocity at time t equals to 2 second will come out to be 18 meter per second. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आया स्टूडेंट्स. Thank you.